Okay, folks, Gator here. We're on the truck. Hang on, I'm gonna lower you a little bit. Gonna try to repair the. Okay, well, I'm gonna explain first. It's a passenger door on the truck, 99 Yukon. I think in the in the 90s, anyways. I know all the doors had the same problems. Well, they have a problem with the latch that breaks, and eventually when you open the door on either side, the little rod that pulls the latch, and it kind of stretches, but it doesn't stretch. It's a bent rod, and it straightens up a little bit, enough that it doesn't want to pull the latch to open the door. So you're sitting in the truck, you pull the handle and the door doesn't open. First thing you know, you pull hard enough and you break the handle. So I'm going to show you the fix. So hang on there. I'm going to try to bring you in here. See, that's the door. See, this is the handle. And these handles, they break right here. And so we're going to take this off enough. The rod's in here, inside here, and I'm going to show you what to do. So first, I'm going to take the surplus pieces off. This here's can't see, something 32. I don't know. You're gonna have to. You're gonna have to figure it out. I got the right socket there, but I got no glasses, so I don't know what size of socket it is. Now, let's see. You need this tool here. See, it's a trim opening tool. I know my big head's going to be in the way there, but there's nothing about being gentle here. It's like oh, hang on. I think I gotta take this off too. Yeah, I'll turn this off. I gotta go get a screwdriver and pull this out. Hang on. Okay, friends, I bring you back there. There's three right here. There's three clips. One right here. You just slide it in between the bracket. One there, and one on top. And then she comes loose. This whole thing. See, there's three. One there. That's at the bottom. Okay, hang on. So there's one here at the top. There's one there and one there, but the problem is it goes like this, so it's 1, 2, and 3, and this pops out. Anyway, so, and then this is supposed to come out. See? Easy, eh? Easy peasy. Okay. Now, hang on, lowering the seat here or something. I don't know what I'm doing, but anyway. Okay, I'm gonna show you the right here. There's a rod. Hang on, I'm gonna lower you so you can see. Because right now you guys are kind of high. Ooh, shaky, eh? Okay, where are we here? It's right here. I'm trying. Yeah, maybe zoom in. Okay, see the arc? I've already played around with that. But first of all, that there is clipped right here, but hang I'm gonna put an extra bit of bend on here, but in order to do that, I'm gonna just try it and see if I did something decent here. Just a little bit more. There. There. I'm gonna just clip this in here. Just a clip in. And we're gonna close the door. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Whoa, she's a tight one. Oh, she opened up real good. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna show you the bend I did and which rod to work. Okay, it'll be a shaky one there. Hang on there. There. See in here? See the bend here? Oops. See this bend here? That's what you gotta. You give it more bend, and then that pulls that rod. And okay, I'm gonna put this back together, and I'll bring it back when I'm done. So. That's the thing. See here, there's one there, one clip, one there, and one underneath here. Plus, there's a little one here. That just a straight thing. That, and then you got two screws here that hold the. And this here, it clips on top here. And I'm not too good for explaining. I know that. Okay. Where am I here? I'll bring it back. Hang on. Okay, friends, I'm gonna try this. I got it all buttoned up and back together there, so should be good. I'm gonna get in the truck. I'm gonna try to open the door. Now, if I can't, don't laugh. Just like at the manufacturer. Couldn't have done it better if I would have done it myself. This took all about, I don't know, getting the tools, maybe 15 minutes. Try it. You'll be, hang on. Yeah, try it. You save some money, I tell you. You bring that to the dealer, you're an hour at least. Here in Ottawa, it's $120 an hour. And they're gonna put probably, who knows, maybe 8 spark plugs, at least a gallon of antifreeze. You bring that to the dealer, eh? They ring the bells, they take you to the cleaner. Anyways, just venting a little bit here. I'm not the best guy to talk to about. If you got praise for the dealers, I'm not the guy to talk to. Okay, I salute you all, and we'll see you in the next one.